Shakas, hello crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you my Die Hard Club kit that I got from the Stamps of Life. This is one of their monthly subscriptions that you can subscribe to. They have different tier levels. But yeah, so we received these dies that say you, me, and it has the shadow piece. It also has this big postage stamp die, some shadow and layering pieces, as well as these hearts and some layering pieces. So exciting. And then we also have a coordinating stamp and quite a few stamps and sentiments you get here. Forever, USA, Canada, International. You are a first-class friend. Hello there. Happy mail enclosed. Sending paper hugs. This is not a bill for you. This is not a bill. Snail mail and happy birthday. And then it also has the postage stamp so you could cut it out with the die you received in the kit as well. So yeah, and then of course, you know, you get the inspiration card. So this is called Postage2Stamp. And this is May's Die Hard Club Kit. So for more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!